Okay guys, we are gonna smash this washing machine with this big gear. I would say it weighs probably 300 pounds maybe. We're gonna go up 50 foot with the bucket truck and cut it loose and hopefully hit it dead on. Cool. Well, it's a little hard today with the wind. Wind's throwing me off a little bit. This is where the gear landed the last time here. She dropped pretty hard to the ground. Trying to slice that whole thing in half. Maybe better luck next time here. We'll find some different things to smash. Maybe some heavier stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. My first time with the bucket truck and smashing stuff and dropping it, but looks like it's kind of fun. We're gonna keep it on. Thanks for watching.